Just another day at the Rhondda Heritage Park. Progressed the 22RB a bit further today. I've sort of rubbed the front left hand side, which was quite tricky, but the paint was really thick, and the tagline frame has been degreased, all the grease scraped off. So that's going to be done tomorrow morning. At the top there, that cover's going to be done, and then I'll be working on the boom. Get all the flaky paint off. The ideal would be to sandblast it really, but this is a working museum, so it's a bit unfair to cause disruption up here. But as you can see, she's taking shape now. Just going to put my stuff away, and I got the bracket that took off the grill, the safety mesh in the driver's cab, operator's cab. So I've taken that bracket off to alter it slightly, because that was the reason why the mesh broke in the first place. So only a couple of things to put away now, and head on back home, have a coffee and just do that bracket. But she's taking shape. Keep plugging away. Been a good week this week. As you can see the mesh there now. That's the position it should be in, but they can alter the bracket just at the back. What happened was she was under too much tension, and the frame of the back broke, weld broke. So I can alter the lower bracket, top bracket, to fit a bit more snugly, and I should do the job on that bit. I've started doing the boom. The plan is going to take it back to sort of bare metal for the first 6 foot, and then flap disc and needle gun the rest. The ideal would be to shot blast it, but this is a working museum and cause too much disruption. But she's getting there. Keep chipping away at it. Hasn't been a bad day today. It's not so hot and hardly any breeze today, but it's been more comfortable to work in. So she's there in a nice location. Kept company with a shunter. This is a Ruston 040 shunter. You can see this is an air start machine. Look at those valves there for starting the air. It's probably got a donkey compressor to build up air pressure to start the diesel. But yeah, they both, the 22RB and the Ruston is built in the same year, 1965. But this one was new to Cambrian Wagon Works, Cardiff. Then it went to, I believe, Newport Docks. Then it went to Cardiff Docks, and then it was brought up here just after the Heritage Park opened in 1989. I believe L.C. Lewis were the company that transported it here. So she's in good company. I spoke to a few people today, taking interest in the RB. So it's getting there. But being lucky with the decent weather. But she's looking nice now. But there's been a lot more work than I thought it was. I was talking to a chap today. He says there's always the niggly jobs, which the very smaller jobs take the time. But there's no rush. I was hoping to get it done painted up by the end of July, but I think that's physically impossible. I reckon it's going to be end of August more like. The doors are ready to come back up from home, And then the paint, the final paint will be done, which is that colour there, famous Ruston Bucyrus, yellow and maroon. And I'm gonna rub down the. I'm not going to be too fussy on the track frame. Just going to rub it down with a wire brush and just paint it green on the frame. And she'll be fitted with Ryan plant decals, because she's an ex-Ryan's machine. And that will be it. The job we did the other day on the boom pole lever, that's fitted well, thanks to a friend who took some photographs of get the measurements right. So I'm just waiting for the knob to come now. She's at the far side. I've plumbed in all the cables now. That the switch panel going to go back on, and that'll be for the lighting. But I think that's it for today now. I'm gonna wrap up now. Then when I come out to do it, I tend to do these jobs in blocks of work, and if I do more than I thought I wanted to do, it's a bonus. But yeah, this is that, you know, it's just it's one of those jobs you always find something else to do. I must have put about 50 or 60 nuts and bolts in this machine so far. Some were missing, some were loose, some were corroded so badly they weren't doing the job anyway. So basically she's getting there. I would say over 2/3 of the way done now. But that's it for today. I think it's I'm up to Welland on Friday. And I'm going to come back up here in the morning for a couple of hours. You're not going to do much. It's my birthday tomorrow, so we're going to have an easy day. I'm just going to come up and paint that front end. And there's a car boot here on Saturday, so I won't come up for that. So I got loads of other jobs to do at home anyway. But the old RV's getting there now. I'm quite pleased the way she's going. But she's been hard graft. So that's all for now, and from a nice, pleasant Bromley Heritage Park, which is well worth a visit. There's a railway station close by. It's about a 10-minute walk away down that direction. And it's on a bus route. And it's only 2 miles north of Pontypridd, so anybody wanting to visit, there's a hotel next to this heritage park. You can use as a base to travel out. I was talking to people yesterday who were going up the Brecon Beacons, which is fairly central from here. You can go, you get the Beacons in about 30 minutes, you get to Cardiff in 30 minutes, the seaside in 35 minutes. It's a very central spot. So and that's it for today. So hope you all have a good evening, and see you next time.